Welcome to today's special video. Today, we are going to roast fresh corn on a traditional clay stove and share this delightful experience with you. Watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, Rural India USA. We have 2 fresh corn cobs with us. First, we are removing their husks. After that, we will light up the clay stove and roast them. We have now removed the husks from both corn cobs. Now, we are lighting the fire in the clay stove. For this, we are using cow dung cakes. In rural India, most families still use cow dung cakes as fuel for cooking. Tell us in the comments, do you also use cow dung cakes to start a fire? The fire has been lit, but we will wait until the smoke is gone, because too much smoke can spoil the taste of the corn. Now the smoke has stopped. We will place the corn cobs on thin iron rods to roast them, so our hands stay safe and the corn cooks evenly. Once again, we request you to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rural India USA. By subscribing, you will regularly enjoy videos on Indian culture, traditions, rural lifestyle, colorful festivals, farming techniques, and delicious Indian food. Your love and support inspire us to keep going. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family so more people can connect with India's rich heritage. We have roasted 1 corn cob perfectly, and it is ready to eat. Now we will roast the second one in the same way. As you know, corn is widely grown in rural India. It is not only a part of our agricultural economy, but also deeply connected to our food traditions. In villages, you can see vast fields of corn, where farmers work with great dedication and hard work. Corn is not just eaten roasted, it is also used to make cornbread, porridge, and many other delicious dishes. It truly represents the simplicity and richness of rural life. Both corn cobs are roasted well. Now we are breaking them into 4 pieces so each family member can enjoy the taste. And now it's time to taste the real flavor of roasted corn. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your loved ones. Tell us in the comments, have you ever tasted corn roasted on a clay stove? Also, let us know how you liked this video. Thank you!